top 5 Portuguese slang words you absolutely must know. What is poppin', your boy Boston? We back with another video. So listen, this is gonna be communication that you can have in the street. This is with friends. This is not formal. So let's get right into it. It's gonna be a quick video. Number 1, fish. Fish. So fish is like cool, you know what I'm saying? So if someone says something, you can just say fish, you know, like someone makes a compliment or a comment or something, fish. Literally just cool. Number 2, pois or pois. This is my favorite, man. So pois is like when you agree with something, right? It's like it's like States we say word or like that's what's up, right? So if someone says like hoje é muito calor, pois. Ela é muito bonita. Pois. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can listen, man. Pois is my favorite. Pois is nice, man. You just agree with it. Number 3, bora. So bora is like, let's go. You'll hear this a lot when people are like amped up. You know, they're vibing. They got that energy. Bora. You know, you don't hear it as much. But, you know, even if you're with some friends and you try to go, bora, like, let's go, you know what I'm saying? Number 4, como que. So como que is like, what's up? You know, you can use this with friends. You meet up, you texting them, como que. You give them the call, como que. The locals will be very impressed. You know what I'm saying? Last but not least, fogo. So fogo is like, it's like saying damn, right? Or, you know, like geez, right? Like it's not a swear. But yeah, so fogo. Listen, I ain't gonna teach y'all swears here. I do know some swears, but we're gonna leave that out. You know what I'm saying? Well, there you have it. Quick video for y'all. 5 Portuguese slang words. Listen, start implementing slang in certain everyday conversations. Obviously not in like formal settings. And get rocking, you know what I'm saying? You already know what you gotta do. Hit that like button. Comment below for the next video. What's the 5 words? Pois, como que, bora, fogo. What's the last one? Fish. You already know what you gotta do. Subscribe to the channel. You watch La Basho, baby. We out.